And hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you all on how I cut this little baby down here. And today's video is a very detailed video, okay? So there won't be much talking in this video, so we'll just go straight into it. And guys, if you're new to my channel, you're very much welcome. I am Rox-T Styles. Please do it to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I love you, okay? So let's go straight into this. And this hair, I'm just going to cut it in sections by section, okay? And do well to have your comb with you and your scissors. Yeah. The main reason why I'm cutting this in sections is just so I have an equal length. That way I don't have one long end and one short end. And I'm just trying to cut this a little bit above my mannequin, okay? While I cut the back, I cut it straight, but when I go to the front, I cut it slant because I wanted to have that curve. You guys can see that this part looks puffy, so what I'm just going to do is to reduce it, that way it can lay down flat. So I'll just go over this hair one more time, and while I'm combing it, I'll just check if I have any excess length left, and I'll cut it off. That way I can have a perfect look that I desire. And we have come to the end of this video, guys. Like, I'm so glad you stayed with me to the end of this video, and I do hope that this video was helpful to you. Please do well to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you are yet to, and please don't forget to leave a comment in the section down below and let me know what video you would want me to upload next, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.